I'm addition of strong acid, what is the nature of this solution means acidic in nature, correct? This is, we can say, acidic in nature when I addition of strong acid to this. But to any solution, when I'm addition of strong base, then I will get it this solution in basic in nature. This is general, okay? It means to any solution, what will happen when you are addition of strong acid, that will becomes acidic in nature, this will becomes in basic in nature. But which kind of solution we can call it as buffer solution means the solution. Yes, when you are addition of strong acid, when you are addition of strong base, there is no change in pH value. No change in pH value. See, when you are addition of strong acid, acidic means pH will change. Basic means pH will change. This is normal solution. But when I can call it as buffer solution is nothing but to that which solution you are going to addition of strong acid or strong base drop by drop. But there is no change in solution. But there is no change in pH in this particular solution. That solution we can call it as buffer solution. It means normal solution pH value will change. But what is the importance of buffer solution is nothing but it will resist the pH value, change in pH. When you are addition of strong acid or strong base. Such solutions are buffer solutions. Now see, what kind of composition we can call it as buffer solution? What kind of compositions we can call it as buffer solution? First is buffer solutions are two types. One is simple buffer solution. First one is what? Simple buffer solution. The second one is mixed buffer solution. Mixed buffer solution. See, buffer solution is two types. One is simple buffer solution and then mixed buffer solution. This simple buffer solution, what kind of composition means? It should be a weak acid plus weak base composition. To weak acid, weak base composition solution is there, right? To this, when you are addition of strong base, to this, when you are addition of weak base, strong base or strong acid, there is no change in pH value for this composition. For example, weak acid means I am talking Caesars. Weak acid is nothing but CH3COOH. Weak base is nothing but NH4OH. This composition, now what will happen? If these two combined, you will get CH3COONH4. It means to this solution, when you are addition of strong acid and strong base, there is no change in pH value. This weak acid plus weak base composition comes under simple buffer solution. To this, when you are addition of strong acid or strong base, then there is no change in pH value. But how to calculate pH value, sir? There is no change in pH value. But how to calculate pH value? Already we done. Weak acid plus weak base, pH value. pH is equal to 7 plus half into pKa plus pKb. We already done, no? pKa minus pKb. This already we done it. Yes, it means for this kind of composition, if they give also weak acid plus weak base composition, that is simple buffer solution, we can calculate using this formula pH. pH is equal to 7 plus half into pK. Acid dissociation constant. Kb means base dissociation constant. Then we can calculate in this manner. But what is the meaning of mixed buffer solution? That is the question. See, sir, carefully. Simple buffer solution, not at all problem. Just a composition of weak acid plus weak base. For example, weak acid CH3COOH and then NH4OH. Correct? See, weak acid, weak base, we got this. Plus water. Water no need to write. This is. It means to this solution, when you are addition of strong acid or strong base, there is no change in pH value. But how to calculate pH means by using this formula. Now we need to talk about mixed buffer solutions. What is the mixed buffer solutions mean? Sir, this mixed buffer solution is two types. Mixed buffer solution. Buffer solution is two types. Simple and then mixed. Again, mixed buffer solution is two types. One is acidic buffer solution. This is basic buffer solution. Acidic buffer solution means, see carefully. What kind of composition we can call it as acidic buffer solution means weak acid should be there plus salt of weak acid plus strong base. This composition only we can call it as acidic buffer solution. Weak acid plus salt should be there. That salt is from which and then which? Weak acid plus strong base. For example, basic buffer solution, this is weak base plus salt of weak base plus strong acid. This is that basic buffer solution. It means to this composition containing solution, when you are addition of strong acid, strong base, there is no change in pH value. Even same for this also. For example, weak acid, sir. Weak acid means acetic acid. I am writing. Okay. Plus salt we need to write now from this. Salt of weak acid means again I am taking CH3COOH. Strong base, any example tell me, sir? Strong base. Can I write NaOH? NaOH. Now these two combined, what will happen? This is CH3COOH plus this is CH3COONA, and then this H, this OH will formation of water. It means this is the composition for what? Acidic buffer solution. See, this is weak acid. This is salt, I know. But salt of what? Weak acid to strong base. To this composition, when you are addition of strong acid or strong base, there is no change in pH value. There is no change in pH value. For this same only, weak base means NH4OH plus weak base means again here in the bracket I am writing NH4OH. So strong acid means can I take it HCl? HCl. See, weak base is there NH4OH plus, sir, from this which one will come out, sir? NH4OH plus HCl. What will come? NH4Cl. This composition we can call it as basic buffer solution. Yes. Here acidic buffer solution means weak acid should be there and then salt should be there. But what is that? Salt is nothing but that salt should made with weak acid to strong base. That I written example. Basic buffer solution, weak base should be there, but salt of weak base plus strong acid. It means to this solution or to this solution, when you are addition of strong acid or strong base, there is no change in pH value. Such solutions only buffer solutions. Yes, this is about buffer solution. Sir, buffer solutions is nothing but, once again I am saying clearly, see, buffer solution is nothing but the solution which will resist change in pH value by the addition of strong acid and then strong base. This buffer solution is two ways, two types. One is simple buffer solution, one is mixed buffer solution. Simple buffer solution means composition of weak acid plus weak base. But mixed buffer solution, acidic buffer solution composition is this. Basic buffer solution composition is this. Sir, once again I'll write on that board all together. Can you see? Very important, from this NEET question will come. See sir here, buffer solution here. Simple buffer solution. There is mixed buffer solution, no? Mixed buffer. But in this again two types. One is acidic buffer solution, basic buffer solution. Basic buffer solution. For this composition is what? Weak acid plus weak base. But for this composition is what? Weak acid plus salt of weak acid plus strong base. For this, what is the composition? Weak base plus salt of weak acid plus strong base. Sorry, reverse we written. Weak base here. Weak base plus salt of weak base plus strong acid. Now, for example, this I said already. Weak acid means CH3COOH. Weak base means, here I am writing, CH3COOH plus NH4OH. Both if you combine, you will get CH3COONH4. Okay. How to find out pH value? Already I said pH is equal to 7 plus half into pKa minus pKb. This is for simple buffer solution. Now, when I am talking about basic buffer, acidic buffer solution, already I said examples. Sir, weak acid means this, CH3COOH. Salt of weak acid strong base means CH3COONA. Already I read. But for this, NH4OH plus NH4Cl. These are the composition. But you may get doubts, sir, how to calculate for pH for this? How to calculate pH for this means very simple formula. When I am talking about acidic buffer solution, pH is equal to pKa plus log of salt concentration by acid concentration. That's it. Sir, to this I am talking. pH is equal to what? pKa plus log of salt concentration by acid. Because this is salt, this is acid. It means pH is equal to pKa plus log of salt concentration by acid concentration. You may think, sir, for this pOH how to calculate? Same. pOH is equal to pKb will come. For this, can you see I am writing here? pOH is equal to pKb plus log of salt concentration by base concentration. See, these values they will give. This is base, this is my salt. Salt concentration you should know, base concentration also you should know with Kb value. Then you can get pOH. For this particular solution, for this particular solution this, for this particular solution is this. It means the pH, when you are going to calculate the pH of the solution, solution to solution is differ. For strong acid, strong base is differ. For weak acid, weak base is differ. For four salts, four formulas, and then simple buffer solution, acidic buffer solution, and then basic buffer solution. From this only calculation of pH value will get. It is very important, these pH values. It means calculation of pH is totally this. First one is calculation of pH for strong acid, strong base. Next is weak acid, weak bases. Next is four salts. like strong acid plus strong base, weak acid plus weak base, strong base plus weak acid, weak base plus strong acid, four salts, formulas. And then coming to buffer solution, in that too simple buffer solution here, in that too simple buffer solution, this is the formula. You may think, sir, how we know? In the sense, we need to identify that solution is comes under what? Okay, that solution is comes under which type of solution, you should find out based on these compositions. Then only you will get that exact answers. This is acidic, this is base. Sir, for example, few things I will give. Whether, sir, when I am talking about H2SO4, strong acid or weak acid, sir? Strong acid. Okay. For example, one question I will give, it is comes under which type of solution alone you can remember, or you can say, trying to. NaCl is a salt, correct or not, sir? This NaCl is the salt. It is comes under what type of salts? In that, which acid is there, which base is there? Strong acid, strong base, or weak acid, weak base, or strong acid, weak base, or weak acid, strong base? Who will say? In NaCl, strong acid, strong base. How you determined, sir, that? That I want. How you determined? How you determined? Very good. How you find out HCl plus NaOH in this there? Simple. To this, I am going to addition of water. Correct? In this, how to dissociate, sir? Na plus Cl minus. In this, how to dissociate? H plus OH minus. Now see, this H plus combining with this, OH minus combining with this, you will get NaOH plus HCl. See, strong base, strong acid. Yes. Now, for example, sir, NH4Cl will be there. This is also salt. But what kind of salt, sir? Who will say this? See, sir, same. To this addition of water, what will happen? NH4 plus combined with OH minus, OH plus HCl. See, this is strong acid. No, this is weak base. Already I gave list to sir. It means we should find out. See, weak base plus strong acid. We know formula, no? pH is equal to, what is the formula? 7 minus half into pKb plus log C. Already we done it this. Because strong acid means 7 minus will come. This formula already we done. Okay. This way we need to find out the solution and then write pH formula. Then we can find out the pH values. From this, anybody having doubt, you can tell me. No problem means